Control your Tesla right from your wrist. This video shows you how to use the Tesla Apple Watch app to lock, unlock doors, control climate, and more. It's a convenient extension of the main iOS app, designed for quick interactions when you're near your car. Requires an iPhone to connect. Setting up and pairing your Apple Watch for Tesla app access requires a few simple steps. First, ensure the Tesla app is installed and you're logged in on your iPhone. Next, pair your Apple Watch with the same iPhone via Bluetooth. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and nearby for seamless connection. Once paired, the Tesla Watch app downloads automatically if you have the phone app installed. It mirrors selected controls from your iPhone for efficient access. The Watch app requires Tesla account authentication and works with Apple Watch Series 3 and later, providing biometric confirmation for secure access. Locking and unlocking your Tesla is one of the most used features of the Apple Watch app. Open the Tesla app on your Apple Watch, and a simple tap on the lock or unlock icon allows you to quickly secure or access your vehicle. Adjust the temperature, fan speed, and even defrost your car, all from your Apple Watch. Open the app, navigate to the climate controls, and make your adjustments. Adjust the temperature, fan speed, and even defrost your car. Perfect for preconditioning your car before you get in, especially on hot or cold days. Make sure the car is in range of the watch. Security and privacy are paramount when using the Tesla app on your Apple Watch. The app employs robust protections to keep your vehicle and personal data safe. The Tesla app uses end-to-end encryption to protect all communication between your Apple Watch and Tesla servers. This means your data is encrypted on your device and only decrypted when it reaches its intended destination, keeping your information secure from interception. Every action on the Tesla app requires authentication through your Tesla account. This includes logging in with your credentials and can be enhanced with multi-factor authentication for additional layers of security. You can set this up through the Tesla website or app. For enhanced security, you can enable biometric confirmation using Face ID on your iPhone or the passcode on your Apple Watch. This adds an extra layer of protection, requiring your biometric verification before any vehicle control actions can be executed. Overall, your personal information and vehicle controls are protected through multiple security layers, including encryption, authentication, and biometrics. Tesla prioritizes your privacy and security in all app interactions. Experiencing sync delays? First, ensure your iPhone and Apple Watch are running the latest software versions. Software bugs in older versions can cause connectivity issues. Check your Bluetooth connection. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices and they are properly paired. Remember, the Apple Watch requires the iPhone as a bridge. It doesn't have direct cellular connectivity. If problems continue, try force closing and reopening the Tesla apps on both your iPhone and Apple Watch. This can resolve temporary glitches and refresh the connection. Finally, ensure your iPhone has a stable internet connection, either via Wi-Fi or cellular. This is essential for syncing vehicle data and sending commands to your Tesla. The future of Tesla's Apple Watch app promises even greater integration of wearable technology with electric vehicles. Expect greater integration of wearable tech with EVs, including AI-driven climate control that automatically adjusts temperature based on your habits and weather forecasts. Future updates may bring direct cellular support for the watch, allowing control without needing an iPhone nearby, plus augmented reality features for visualizing vehicle data. The trend moves towards seamless, hands-free EV control from your wrist. As EV ownership grows, watch apps could expand to fleet management and shared mobility solutions. Wearable EV technology is evolving rapidly, making electric vehicles more intuitive and accessible through smartwatch integration.